Love the way I'm doing. Bottom line is mine, you the finest.
Director, plus I'm my own boss. So posh, nails pierced with the gold gloss, which means nobody getting over me. I got the swag and it's pumping out my ovaries.
What up, hater? It's Chastity and liars. Like, I don't understand why people need to lie. Now I understand I'm being a hypocrite right now. I hate it when people lie. Like, oh my gosh, like, why would you need to lie? Everybody lies, everybody does it. But like, people who lie for no reason. Like, I can understand a teacher being like, hey, did you study for the test today? Yeah, I mean, spent 2 hours on it, and then you end up failing. Like, that makes total sense. But if your boyfriend has to lie to you and say, yeah girl, I was at the movies last night with my mom and my pops, and we were eating popcorn, that's not lying. That's more like, bitch please. People lie about the dumbest thing. When a woman is in Walmart with her baby in the stroller or the cart or whatever, oh my gosh, the baby is so cute. When you know that thing looks like a freaking alien from planet Jupiter, no. Please don't lie to that woman and say her child is gorgeous, because she's gonna put that child in a pageant and that child is going to be miserable for the rest of her deformed life. Because lying only ends up to problems. When you lie, you crawl in a hole and you can't dig yourself out of it. You just can't, okay? Oh my gosh, do you have a piece of gum? Girl, that was my last piece. You know darn well you just bought that pack of gum from Walmart for $2.55. Give me a piece of gum. My breath stank, your breath stank. Let's all be breath unstanky together, okay? What else? Your teenage brother is at the computer. Hey, I gotta tell you something. And they're like, what are you doing? Nothing. When you know good and well what they were doing. That is so gross. Ooh, I hate it. I hate it when people, when like their friends, they say a joke or whatever, and you know darn well that joke is not funny. Why did the cow jump over the moon? I don't know why. To get to the other side. The fuck? But their other friend goes, oh my god, that is so funny. No. And just like normal stuff, like, girl, I will pay you back. You have $5, I will pay you back, girl. Hold on a second, okay? My grandmama just got out of her cage. I gotta go put her back in. I will call you right back. People like me, we don't like being lied to, okay? So just stop lying. Just stop. There's no reason to lie. So all you haters out there, all you liars, there's a difference between a liar and a hater. And I'm pretty sure there's more haters than there are liars. But I'm pretty sure, you know what, never mind. Bye!
She is